If you actually find something that you're very passionate about, you can start pursuing your dream, your career at a very young age. Why wait until you go to university to do that?
My name is Sophie. My dream for my future is to become an international singer. I want to travel the world and go on iconic tours, live my potential.
I pinch myself every day as a mom. Sophie has been writing her own songs. When I realized she really loves music, going to a regular school schedule was not going to allow her to train as much as she wanted to train. Sophie begged me to let her attend Sage Oak, and this is how it all started.
So my homeroom teacher is Mrs. Lake. She's so fun. I love the stuff I'm learning in her class. And it's so nice to know that my school supports me and believes in me too. If I was in a regular school, I couldn't have done all these dance classes, songwriting and guitar. When I sing and perform, I feel very deeply connected to the music. Like there's nothing else I would rather do than that. For the fall, running wild like an autumn breeze. Feel it in my bones. It's where I want